to our channel for another episode of exhaust installation for another 992 GT3 RS in the shop. So here we have the IPE exhaust for the GT3 RS and I'm now unboxing it. So for the GT3 RS, today we are going to replace the headers for the car. And right over here, this is the IPE headers for the 992 GT3 RS. So for the GT3 RS, instead of the regular upgrades that we usually do, which is the full exhaust system or the rear catback section, this owner, he's quite specific. He wants to retain the original catback section, which is the PSE Sport Exhaust Muffler, and that's why what we have for the car here today is this IPE headers for the GT3 RS. So this will be paired with the factory catback section, and here we have removed the factory headers out from the GT3 RS. And now we'll take a few minutes to talk a little bit about the differences between the factory headers and the IPE headers. So first of all, these IPE headers, they are the 200 cell catted headers. So with this installed, you won't get any check engine light on the car, you won't have any error codes, even if the car has the OPF, GPF particulate filters like this one that we have, because it is a UK imported unit. So it does comes with the OPF, GPF particulate filters. And this is how the factory catalytic converters with the GPF looks like. So this, if I'm not mistaken, is about 700 cells, and it is highly restrictive on the sound and also on the performance wise. It kills out a lot of sound definitely on the GT3 RS, and that's why with our IPE headers, the catted headers installed, it will freeze up the sound and also the performance on the GT3 RS. So this right over here is our IPE 200 cell catted headers with the 200 cell cats inside, and with this installed, definitely it will freeze up the exhaust flow, the sound, and also it unlocks the performance on the GT3 RS, while IPE also applied a layer of this high temperature heat protection on their headers, especially on this section where the catalytic converters are located at, and it is also painted in this beautiful gold color that gives a little bit of aesthetic touch on the product. And that's all for the product explanation part. So now we'll get back to work to install the IPE headers on to the GT3 RS. It is a direct replacement part for the factory headers. It can be fitted with the factory rear section or with any other aftermarket rear section, as long as you have this factory size flange on the headers. And the best part of having the IPE headers, these 200 cell catted headers installed on the GT3 RS, even though if your car have the OPF, GPF particulate filters, it will not trigger any check engine light, there's no error codes. So this is the perfect solution for those that wants a louder noise without needing to remap or tune the ECU. So basically you just remove the factory headers and install the IPE headers onto the car, and you are good to go to enjoy the sound and also the performance that these IPE headers can make on the 4-litre naturally aspirated flat 6 engine. Alright, so we have installed the IPE 200 cell catted headers on the GT3 RS, and now it is paired with the factory rear section, the PSE rear muffler. So we have never done such combination before, and I'm quite interested to listen how does it actually sounds like when you have the factory rear muffler section paired with the high flow catted headers. And now the moment of truth, this is going to be the cold start of the GT3 RS with such combination. Okay, start! Walk on! here we have another 911 GT3 RS in the shop, completed with our exhaust upgrade. So this beautiful black and silver GT3 RS. As you can see, it does have the optional WiseAct package. So it does have all the carbon bits, the carbon roof, carbon hood, and also the magnesium wheels painted in silver color. And right behind the magnesium wheels, you do have the carbon ceramic brakes with the calipers painted in yellow color, and also on the door sides with the GT3 RS decals. And you have heard how the GT3 RS sounds like with the IPE 200 cell cathode headers paired with the factory rear section, the PSE rear muffler. So let us know in the comment sections below, what do you think about the sound of this combination? The non-equal length 200 cell cathode headers with the factory PSE rear muffler. Also, if you enjoy our content, like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future. We'll see you again in our next video.